Thank you, sir. So warm welcome to everybody for this lovely occasion. Virtually, we are connecting, though we are disconnected from faraway places. Warm evening for each one of you. Excellencies, distinguished guests, it's my great honor to welcome you all to the 40th PRCI chapter installation ceremony on Zoom platform. Our inaugural ceremony, which I hope will be truly historic in PRCI, milestones of accomplishing 40th and strong chapters pan-India since its inception. I heartily welcome inaugurator MB Jairam, Chief Mentor and Chairman Emeritus, PRCI. Guest of honor, Sri Srinivas Murthy, Chairman of Governing Council. I heartily welcome you, sir. Dr. T. Vinay Kumar, National President, PRCI, National Executive. I heartily welcome you, sir. Sri C.J. Singh, Senior Vice President, National Executive Chairman, Chapter Formation Committee. I heartily welcome you, sir. Sri U.S. Kuti, Secretary General, Governing Council of PRCI. We heartily welcome you, sir. Ms. Chinmay Praveen, National Head of YCC, Young Communicatives Club, and Sri J.P. Rao, Head of South Zone PRCI, Dr. Lata T.S., State Head of PRCI. We heartily welcome you, ma'am and sir. Sri Pashupati Sharma, sir, Secretary of Karnataka PRCI, and all the dignitaries from all the chapters and chapter heads, secretaries and directors. It's a great moment for us. You all are here with us in a busy schedule. Once again, I extend my warm welcome to you all. And I request Shivani K for prayer song. Over to Shivani. Shivani?
Yes.
Unmute yourself, your mic and screen, and prayer song. Over to you.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय सुखमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलाक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परिप्राते गुरुपाखण्ड खण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतस्तोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि Thank you.
Thank you, Shivani, for invoking the auspiciousness and singing the prayer song for all of us. Almighty blessings is much needed, no matter whatever we do. Lord Ganesha's blessings will always bless us to do the best thing in our life. Now I request our state head, Dr. Ms. Lata, to address the gathering and share about the Public Relations Council of India. Over to Lata, madam.
Thank you, Shirisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Warm good evening to all. Belated World Environment Day greetings. COVID taught us henceforth every day we have to celebrate Environment Day to protect our Mother Earth. On this note, let us know more about PRCI. Public Relations Council of India is a non-political, non-profit organization serving the professionals in the field of public relations, communication, advertising, academia, Marcom, and many other allied services. PRCI is providing industry professionals an opportunity to serve their community, encouraging high ethical standards in their respective areas of work, and is the first forum to offer accreditation to the professionals in the stream. PRCI today has emerged as one of the foremost PR platform for PR professionals for global exchange of ideas, where creative minds often come together, upholding the challenges and values of PR. In the year 2004, PRCI began its journey, and in its 17th year of its existence, we are proud to announce its 40th chapter in its fold. Yes, Ballari chapter entering PRCI family, after recent edition of Palakkad chapter, Kerala. These 40 active chapters spread across India and international chapters in Dubai, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, many more to come in near future. It's pleasure to mention here few more chapters from Karnataka would be shortly entering to this family of PR from Vijayapura, Hubballi, Dharwad, Shivamogga. Besides our regular activities such as annual Global Conclave, Anakya Awards for National and International Achievers, Kautilya Awards for Youth, Hall of Fame in PR are being organized every year in different cities of the country. We have an exclusive cell for social cause, deliberating issues on protecting earth, save water, Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, scholarship for poor meritorious girl students, etc. Women wing of PRCI is organizing Daughters Day program every year, one of the flagship event of PRCI, which is widely popular in the country. To encourage our members and give them platform for their hidden talent, we bring out quarterly magazine Chanakya for PRCI members and Kautilya for YCC members. Our second publication in this order is getting ready from our publication wing. Adding to this, we are also introducing accreditation program for communication professional, first of its kind initiatives in India. Our newly created pool of experts is ready to guide the students and corporates in PR and communication. Even COVID couldn't stop us during this pandemic crisis. From last 1.5 years, we have had an n number of webinars on different topics across the chapters. Now we are conducting inter-chapter talent hunt webinar till August end. PRCI believes in team spirit and work as a team to deliver, develop, and deal with challenges and safeguard the PR and communication profession. I wish Bellary chapter the very best and to grow like Vijayanagara dynasty was a part of Bellary, happens to be a prosperous and wealthy city of medieval era and probably India's richest at that time. Great luck. Once again, best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you,
Good.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was very informative, and it's really a pride to associate with this elite organization and India and even in abroad as well. Moving on to the agenda, now I request YCC head, Ms. Chinmay Praveen to share about Young Communicators Club. Over to you, madam.
Yeah, thank you. Greetings, everyone. Good evening. It is a great pleasure and honor to be amidst with you all on this chapter inauguration of Bellary. I heartily congratulate and wish all the best to the new team. So, what is this YCC? YCC is a premium council of PRCI, wherein it holds a student council wherein the activities are done and managed by the student itself. And that is the beauty of YCC. So what does YCC treasure holds in? So the YCC, we give a curated programs, sessions, symposiums, just to develop the communication skills and the inter and interpersonal development skills of the youth to stand apart in the crowd and to unleash the creativity within themselves without the fear of handling anything, any challenges in the world. Because as we all know, in spite of modern amenities, the materialistic world can't promise the sustainability of youth. So development within ourselves and development within yourself is the joint venture of YCC, which can give youth the promising of future leadership. So once the action and the responsibility the youth takes, they can become a leader and they can contribute to the society. When the youth contributions takes nil, the contribution to the nation becomes nil and our purpose of living becomes nil. So we at YCC encourage all the strength to do what benefits the society in large, because universe supports those who help and take responsibility of themselves. So youth, how can I develop myself? How can I develop my surrounding? And how can I develop my community should be your motto. And to say you, YCC is developing very fast and growing very fast. Recently in Kerala, we have 6 chapter inaugurations, and I wish to see many more in the near future. So YCC gives the young writers the opportunity to be the young author writers. As Lata ma'am said, we are coming out with the Chanakya publication, in-house publication of YCC, wherein the young writers and budding authors are encouraged. And we are giving the sponsorship for poor students on Daughter's Day, wherein that also it is in a line of helping the youth, wherein if they cannot afford the education. So on this line, YCC is doing a fantastic job, and it is bridging a gap between the academics and the corporate world. And you can also be a part of whatever talent you have. The talent will be taken and you are made the future ready leaders in YCC. So anything for the YCC, I and Geeta ma'am will be there. We will mentor you. We will support you in whatever way we can. So please ask us, and we can give you a number of opportunities to grow yourself and to grow your community in a better way. Thank you. Thanks for this opportunity.
Thank you, Madam Ms. Chinmay Praveen, for this wonderful information. And it's really a pleasure to know about YCC and to give the youth an opportunity to learn and grow and show their niche. Now I request to share about WCC by Mr. Jayaprakash Rao, Zonal Chairman, PRCI South. I request you to address the gathering, sir. Hello, sir.
JP, you are muted.
Yeah, good evening to everybody. Hope you are listening to me now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm very extremely happy to know that we are opening a 40th chapter in Karnataka and spreading our wings, not only in the, as far the chapters are considered, but also our YCs. My friends have already spoken about the YCC, then Public Relations Council of India, which exists in India. But now I am talking about the macro level. I can say that what United Nations for the nations, the Public Relations Council of India for the this World Communicators Council is for the PRC or the World VCC of every nation. Ultimately, our goal spread over in the global level to see that we make this a better world to live. In spite of all our differences for religion and caste and politics, etc. So we have a strong vision to develop to a platform of one-stop knowledge house, where the fields of various communication matters are discussed among the professionals, the practitioners, the researchers, the students, and the teachers. So our mission is to organize such network all over the world to see that we break the barriers of communication, not only in a nation, but also world for a better understanding. There are a lot of confusion when the communication does not reach or it is conveyed properly, or the person who, or the nation which receives the communication is not in a proper way. So ultimately, we are heading for a better world. So in India, our chapter level, it is called the Public Relations Council of India. A member of the World Communicators Council representing India. The WCC is a global platform to network, the share, exchange of all ideas in the professional matters, leading to the progress of humanity and mankind. Because at the world level, we see we are the best communicator, we can interact each other, we understand each other to see that the global peace and harmony is attained. And who could be the members of this Public Relations Council or World Communicators Council? All the PR professionals, the communicators, the advertisers, the HRs, marketing people, teachers and students who communicate in some way or other in the day-to-day matter, they are our members of the Public Relations Council, and we are under the WCC, carrying the same objective and mission at the national level. Yeah, and each nation will represent its own by name. We are called the Public Relations Council of India. Maybe in Nepal, they are called the World Communicators Council Nepal, something like that. So in the world body, two representatives of the nation, each nation are allowed to participate in the World Council, and rules and regulation of running the chapter or the national level chapter is based on the rules and regulation of the country. In no way we are harming the political system, the administrative setup of nations. So we have a global level, have a national level, and the global level. This why we are WCC has objective to see that we conduct the global meetings, the annual conferences, the seminars and conferences to boost the idea of better communication for the world, and also award the practitioners, not only our members, outside world, who are good in various fields of communication and who are using the tools of communication. Ultimately, they emerge as a real professional. We want to what you call fine-tune our performances, our knowledge house, and for a better tomorrow, better harmony in the world. So it's very happy to see that every nation is having their council of communicators council, which is a network, a house for various aspects. And one of the objectives is already conveyed that the student community, the younger populations are with us. You know, the technology is galloping in such a speed. It's very difficult to catch up the technology. And we were very fortunate to have the technology in century, wherein we, at the fingertips, we can do many things in our mobile or whatever the tools we have. And this has become very dangerous weapon for everybody, that every nation in the world are failing to control the social media. And we never knew that is a fake news. The what you call the generation of news, anybody can do, who has a tool is in his hand. Such a state that we also suffer in the corona days, lot of information sidelining the national objective and the safety of the people. The public harmony is damaged colossally due to his fake news and very what you call the very selfish communication that people are doing, unable to control. The corona period, what we are seeing is a classic example of how the tools of communications are used in a very bad manner, so that entire national objectives is going to dogs. Is really very sorry. We don't know which news is fake, which news is fact, and we can depend upon. There are a lot of suggestive, lot of advisors, lot of medical practitioners tell a lot of things about the COVID aspect, and people are confused what to follow, what is happening in the world, and whether taking a vaccine is necessary or you can trust the vaccine. My God, this is a situation when people never thought of these vaccines during a time of the plague and other epidemics in the world that we had in the last century. But we are doubting whether vaccines are working, or what more I can say. So in a way, we network ourselves and develop the chapters in the national level, taking of the younger generation along with the YCC. We network in the world level, in a global level for this, and it's always for a better world. ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಘಟಕ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿ 40ನೇ ಮೈಲಿಗಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವುದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿದ್ಧರಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ how best you can communicators for a better tomorrow. Thank you very much.
ಸರ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿ. We are blessed to have all dignitaries here and their guidelines and their thoughts about giving a better platform for the better world. Thank you, sir, for addressing the gathering. And now I request the moment of the day. As you all know, we are here for a purpose, that is inaugural ceremony of installation for 48th chapter of PRCI in Karnataka, in Bellary, virtually. So now I request inaugurator of the day, MB Jairam sir, to address the gathering, followed by oath ceremony by NP sir. Over to Jairam sir. Sir, your mic is on mute, sir.
Now?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Good evening, everybody. I'm really overwhelmed today. Dear my friend Srinivas Murthy, the chairman of the Governing Council, Mr. Dr. Vinay Kumar, and my fellow members from all over the country, all of the chapter like Ramendra, Mr. Dhirendra, Mr. Ashish Thail, Geeta Madam, Lata Madam, then Praveen, this is Praveen, and Ramchandran from Palghat, the new chapter which has been inaugurated recently, and Raghavendra Hollaji from Mangalore, Pashupati ji, and younger YCC leader Ramesh Rajji, Vinay ji, one more Vinay is there, and CJ Saab, the senior vice president of National Executive. Chinmay, I have already told. I think Sahu is joining a little later. He's taking a class now. And the incoming president, Sirisha, Bhimaji, Deepthi, Sayaniji, all of you are here from almost all part of the country, which is a really happy note that we are all here to celebrate one occasion. See, the 40th chapter in Bellary, that to our own Karnataka state is happening. I'm really being a Karnataka man, being a Kannadiga, it is for me also it is a privilege issue, and thanks to Shisha Bhimaji and our Pashupati to take a lot of pains, including our Holla also. They all, Ms. Lata madam and Chinmay madam, they all met together and thought of having a good chapter in particularly in Bellary. Bellary is known for so many things. I will not explain everything in detail now. And I declare this Bellary chapter, the 40th chapter of PRCA is open today to all of us. You know, we are including this Bellary family in one among them, one among us. Before starting a few words, you know, I want to share one song which we normally used to play in all our functions, and it is going to be edited soon. But now I think it is appropriate time to sing that song. It is a theme song of PRCA. We are here to dedicate. We are here to reiterate. We are here to communicate, to make a better world. We are here to ideas to share. We are here with voice to air. We are here with concern and care to make a better world. We are here for friendship and fun. We are here the fraternity as one. We are here just professionals and none to make a better world. We are here from different race and color. We are here trusting one another. We are here with yet another feather to make a better world. It is our 40th chapter at Bellary. We are here to reach a new height. We are here to do or die. We are here for PRCA to make a better world. This is what is our aim and theme of the PRCA. As you all know, our professional journey in the new millennium has progressed through a new ecosystem that is unique and dynamic. The communication canvas has expanded, creating new media business consumers and new ethos, demanding ever fresh communication behavior and services. A number of new specializations with this broad canvas has developed. All such specializations are interrelated, required to be harnessed as force multipliers. Our conclaves are attempting to showcase these, and we had 14 conclaves so far, and the 15th one is going to come in Goa. Actually, it was supposed to be held in May month, but unfortunately, because of the pandemic problems, we had to postpone it to September. We hope to have it definitely in the September 17th and 18th. This is what I wanted to say. PRC Global Conclave necessarily would try to highlight the changing profile of PR, its role, tools, and practices. A big idea running through this conclave would be PR as CRM, and emerging role of PR in the emerging business and communication world has been least explored. PR today is characterized by the expanding skills set covering executive coaching, internal communications, promotional asset productions, media relations, multimedia, and social media and reputation management. The media is also getting fragmented and people consume content of the plethora of the options. I'm very sure in this era, PR never have played such an important role from crafting the headlines out to making the sale. Most of the PR agencies today are staffed with quality people such as public relations professionals. This is a sea change in the world. And I'm sure that Public Relations Council of India will produce more and more professionals, more and more good, educated, trained professionals in these areas, and be a model for the people of our country. This is what I'm going to say at the beginning, and our Srinivas Murthy will talk now before Dr. Vinay is taking the giving the oath. He will also put some words what they have to do in the future, particularly YCC students, and they are our models for the next years to come. All this we are thinking, and Lata has already informed about our future plans, and Madam Chinmay has told about YCC activities, and I once again welcome all the members of the Bellary chapter to our family, and I'm sure that they will stand first in the race of our activities. I pray for that, and I'm sure that they will come up to that expectation of ours. Wish you all the best, Madam Shirisha and Deepthi Sayani and your team. Good luck, best wishes.
Thank you so much, Jairam sir. It was really inspiring, and we are blessed to have your guidance and everything for your support, kind support. And now I request, sir, before oath ceremony, you said like Srinivas sir. I request Srinivas sir to address the gathering before oath ceremony by our NP, Dr. T. Vinay Kumar. Over to Srinivas sir.
Thank you, Shirisha madam. Thank you, Jairam. It's almost like you read my mind. I was thinking of what should be the singular message that I will give when you ask me to speak. And just then you said that I will tell the YCC, the youth of tomorrow, about what we need to think as PR professionals and advertising professionals. But before I come to that, let me congratulate Mrs. Shirisha Bhima, Pashupati Sharma, and Deepali Saini for being at the helm of affairs of this brand new Bellary chapter, the 40th in the fold of PRCI. As you would have noticed by now, that we are like a federal structure in PRCI. Like each chapter is like a state, and the apex organization just conducts a few programs at a national level. But all other PR programs are conducted independently at the chapter level. And some chapters are extremely active, some are not. And I'm hoping that Bellary chapter will be so active that Jairam will be called there every ever so often. Anyway, he's used to that part of the state. He's always traveled to those areas, and I'm sure he'd love to do that. So, I urge you to have some programs, go away, and we can all start meeting face to face. We may not meet as often as we meet on Zoom because of the convenience of Zoom. So that brings me to what the message I wanted to give to the PR professionals at this forum and to the YCC, which is very, very active, thanks to Chinmay Praveen, very, very active YCC, and that's the way it should be, because the youth of today are the future. So what's happening in the PR arena is, in the past, and even to a large extent in the present, was that there was a major symbiosis between mainstream media and the PR professionals to project PR ideas, policy, and so on. So you needed people in the mainstream media to help out, and people in the mainstream media needed people in corporate organizations and government organizations and policy to give them information and news about what was going on. And this was, in essence, one major aspect of the PR activity. Going forward, and as you can already see, social media has changed everything. Now you don't need any symbiosis, but you need some very clear thinking and some great strategies to make your messages viral and spread it across the spectrum. It's very challenging, but now it's in your hands. You can't say, so and so media didn't carry my story. You now have the power to put your story out there and for everybody to see it and react and respond to it. Now, more about all these aspects of the changing scenario will be at the conclave in Goa, where I'm sure many more illustrious speakers will speak to us about how to do this and what strategies we need to deploy and so on. But till then, please put on your thinking hat and think about how the media is now in your own hands. And before I leave you all, let me congratulate Vinay Kumar Kutty, our chairman of New Chapters, Dr. Geeta, and all the people, Dr. Lata, and all the people who have worked hard to seem to produce a chapter ever so often. And welcome to the fold, the Ballari chapter. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Srinivas Murthy, sir. It was really nice to hear from you. And I request now our dear dynamic National President, Dr. T. Vinay Kumar, to give over for all of us, our team, the oath ceremony. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Shirsha. I will read out the oath. You please repeat it.
Yes, sir.
I. You give your name.
Yes, sir. I, Sirisha Bhima,
Hereby affirm that
hereby affirm that
I shall abide by the principles and philosophy
I shall abide by principles and philosophies
of the Public Relations Council of India
of the Public Relations Council of India
as a responsible member of it,
as I'm a responsible member of it,
to conduct myself personally
with
with truth, accuracy, fairness,
truth, accuracy, and fairness,
and responsibility to public,
and responsibility towards public,
to improve my individual knowledge and proficiency
to improve my individual knowledge and proficiency
of the profession
of the profession
through continuing research and education.
through continuous research and education.
And to adhere to the
And to adapt to the
articles of the manual, members manual
articles of members manual
for the practice of public relations
for the practice of public relations
as adopted by the Governing Council of Public Relations Council of India.
as adopted by the Public Relations Council of India, Governing Council of India.
Public Relations of India. Yeah. I understand and accept
I understand and accept
that there is a consequence
that there is a consequence
for misconduct up to and including membership revocation.
up to and including of membership revocation.
I shall strive to stand
I shall strive to stand
by the motto
to
communicate for a better world.
communicate for the better world.
It is a great opportunity. It's a landmark in the history of public relations. We are starting 40th chapter. Actually, Ballari chapter, the discussions were going on for quite some time. But Shirisha was just keeping quiet for some time, so that we started our Palghat chapter in between. Now, anyway, it is a very good number. 40 is a very good number. And I wish Shirisha, Dipali Saini, the secretary, and the Pashupati Sharma, who has done all the organizational work, wish grand success and a very, very good chapter. Let it be a very good chapter of PRC in the future, and let us see more activities and programs and shine like a star in the PRCI horizon.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
I thank my national president of PRCI for inducting and also giving me the oath. And it's a honor and it's a blessing to be a chapter president, which is a milestone chapter in PRCI. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now, moving on to the agenda, acceptance speech by incoming chairman. So this is the really moment of my life. I'm really thankful and grateful to the man who initiated this, Mr. Pashupati Sharma, sir, who has given me the opportunity, having faith in me and my confidence to bring up a team which will build a Public Relation Council of India in Bellary and extend the platform to the youth, which is really necessary to bridge the gap from the industry, from the academic to the industry. So I accept all the rules and regulations and followed by guidance of the all the heads of the chapter and directors and secretaries instructed by them, and I'll bring in a change for youth here in Bellary, and also we will give an example to lead by an example where we all will be blessed to know the things which we lack exposure in many areas. In this present scenario where everyone is in cutthroat competition, everyone want to win, but the winner is always one. The one who can make the difference is the real one who will know how to get there by the dedication, by the honesty, loyalty, and the person who is stood by even in all the odds. And once we have taken the responsibility, we as a team of 10 members of the core team, along with our executive members of 15 members, we as a team together will work towards the upliftment and upholding all the principles and guidelines of PRCI of India and YCC. The chairman, BH Vinay, and Shivani secretary, and my PRCI secretary, Deepali Sayani, and joint secretary, Mahabaleshwar sir, and treasurer Shabaz Sheikh, and vice president Ramaraju sir, and vice president Bajaj sir, and also the YCC coordinator, Ms. Madhu. All these members put together, we form a strong team from 40th chapter to serve the nation, that is the youth of our nation. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to express my acceptance speech of being a founder chairperson of PRCI Bellary chapter. Thank you so much for all the audience and dignitaries for listening. The small token of gratitude which I want to extend is my mentor, Aras sir, who is my mentor since I joined JCI. Because of I'm the one who I am now. I really owe to him. Thank you so much. Now moving on to the agenda about the program duties of chapter by chairman, chapter formation committee, CJ Singh, senior vice president, PRCI. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Sirisha. Congratulations to you.
Yes, sir.
You had a very powerful and energetic acceptance speech, and I can see the enthusiasm which you are showing, and I'm sure you are going to lead by example, and that's heartiest congratulations to you from all the Public Relation Council of India National
Thank you so much,
Executive.
sir.
See, there are a number of challenges which have already been talked about by Mr. J.P. Rao and Mr. our Chairman Emeritus, Mr. M.B. Jayaram. And, Bellary has its own share of fame. I must say, I'm referring to 15th October 1932, when Bellary became a part of the first Indian commercial flight from Karachi to Madras by J.R.D. Tata. And I'm this 40th chapter, I think, is another landmark in the history of Bellary, maybe by bringing about the transformation which you are talking about, and which the public relations as such and as enshrined in the preamble of the oath that has just been taken by you It involves continuous upgradation of our knowledge and skills, contribution to the education and research and communication, and promoting ethical practices amongst practitioners through participation in the PRCI programs. We are proud to have you and your team in Bellary into the fold of the National Apex Body of Public Relations Council of India. And I'm sure that you would be addressing these challenges and contributing your expertise, experience, and knowledge to further professionalism in public relations practice. So congrats to you all.
Thank you, sir. It was nice. You reminded us the landmark of the way ago, and even now setting an example. Definitely, we will stand by the words what I've shared in along with my team. And it's a privilege and honor to be part of it. Moving on to the agenda now, felicitation by Mr. U.S. Kutty. Over to you, sir. So are you there?
U.S. Kutty is celebrating his birthday today,
Oh,
so he could not be able to join. We
Okay.
wish him all the best, many returns of the day.
Yeah, lots of good wishes from entire PRCI family present here. Happy
Yeah.
birthday to GI U.S. Kutty, sir. Now I request Mr. TVS Narayan, sir, please address the gathering. Over to you. So you're on mute, sir. So your mic is on mute, sir. TVS Narayan, sir. Mic is on mute.
No.
Yeah. Sir, TVS Narayan, sir, your mic is on mute. We are not able to hear you, sir.
No.
Okay, am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, good evening to you all. It is a strange coincidence today. On the 6th day of the 6th month of the year at 6 p.m., this 40th chapter of PRCI Bellary is being inaugurated. And 3 into 6 is 18. And according to numerology, 1 plus 8, 18 is equal to 9. 9 represents completion, but not finality. It is ending of one cycle and potential for another cycle to begin. So with this, the chapters of PRCI will multiply further. And my heartiest congratulations to Dr. M.B. Jairam, who is a visionary and is a silent performer in his own way. And my congratulations to Ms. Sirisha Bhima and Deepali Sayani and the team. And my one word of advice to them is to delegate things to being chapter heads. They should delegate things for the people down below to perform and supervise them, and without any concentration, that will be the success of any chapter. All the best to you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. It's really nice words from you. And now I request Miss Geeta Shankar to address the gathering. Over to you, madam.
Hi, everybody. Extremely happy. Congrats to the 40th chapter Bellary. Extremely thrilled and happy for the growth of, rapid growth of PRCI, I should be telling you. 40. 40, when you say 40, it is the only digit in English language where the letters are in alphabetical order. No other number has that special quality. So you're really very special. And an expecting mom takes actually 40 weeks to come full-term pregnancy. So there again, you're special. And then actually 40 number is also an angel number. They say it brings a lot of confidence, it brings a lot of power, it brings motivation, optimism. So all this is rolled now in the 40th chapter Bellary. And so you're on the right track, and then you should keep trusting your heart and proceed. So good luck to the team and all the best. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
I'm
you.
wishing you great luck.
Thank you for your best wishes, ma'am. And what you connected with the 40 weeks of women getting life to the world. It's really inspiring, and that's true. That's really true. The efforts what we make at the end of the day, it's what the results speak. And definitely we will give the best results, ma'am. And now I request our chapter heads, I request kindly to address the gathering, because I need to know, Sharma sir. Sharma sir. So Jairam sir.
Start with the Mr. Raghavendra Holla and Ramchandran.
Lata.
Lata has already done her job. We will start with Mr. Raghavendra Holla or Ramendra or
Panda,
Ashish.
Ashok Panda.
Ashok Panda is there, and Banik, the director of ICC, is there.
Ashish Tayal.
Ramchandra from now start. Anyone can start.
Yeah. Please.
Well, I'm indeed very elated that another chapter has started in Bellary. You'll be very, very happy to know we are also trying our level best, to have some, I'm trying it in Cuttack. I think very soon things should, yeah, Cuttack, Cuttack is not very far.
Ashok, introduce yourself. She may not be knowing who is.
Okay. Well, I'm Ashok Panda. I'm the chairman of the PRCI Odisha, and I'm also the editor of English daily newspaper Dumani Mail, and I'm also a teacher. I teach journalism in a couple of universities. I teach journalism and public relations, and I do conduct a lot of programs. In fact, I was to also organize a couple of programs, but frankly speaking, I was, juxtaposed between, COVID, my sister is now COVID, my brother-in-law, black fungus, a lot of problems are, I'm passing through. So the way I should have moved forward, I have not been able to do, but very soon, Cuttack chapter will be coming, and we'll be also presenting a good show. Ours is on July 17th, I think I would request all of you. And there, a lot of PR, CI members will be there, YCC members will also be there. I just give you only one definition and I'll end. That's all, because, it's just giving my good wishes. Friends, the best definition of public relations is negotiating changes with minimum friction. I hope you appreciate that. So if you are able to do something, let us do it with minimum friction. The less the friction, the more the action. It means the input should be less and the outcome should be more. And I'm sure PRCI is very much doing that. With these few words, I welcome all the new office bearers and thank you so much. I'm with you now and always. Thank you so much. I'm with you now and always. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request Ramendra sir to address the gathering.
Namaskara. So I'm Ramendra Kumar. I worked for more than 30 years in Rourkela Steel Plant, headed the department for 9 years. Then I took voluntary retirement to pursue my passion, which is writing, storytelling, and public speaking. So first of all, my heartiest congrats to the new chapter. And your chapter is very, very special because it is the 40th chapter and life begins at 40. I'm not yet 40, I'm only 25, but generally life begins at 40. So from 40, we are going to move on to 50 and to 100 and so on and so forth. And Sirisha, I just want to tell you in confidence that I just got a call from Virat Kohli that he is suffering from anxiety. He is saying that Mr. Jairam sir is opening chapters with greater frequency than I am hitting centuries. So I'm very, very sure we're going to break all records and long live PRCI.
Thank you so much, sir. Now it's really nice the way you extended your gratitude and the words of inspiration. I'm really happy to hear that. Now I request Ms. Geeta Shankar. Ma'am, I think she addressed. Yeah, Mr. Banik, sir, over to you. Banik, sir, is here. Jairam,
Now you can hear, you can hear me now.
yes, sir, but I'm not able to see you on the screen. Yeah, here you go. Yes, sir.
Excellent. I am Dr. Bonik from Bombay. Of course, I am not office bearer, and we have come a long way in our life, working for public relation for almost 50 years now. I really appreciate the present managing committee as well as the national committee and the state level committee for making public relation a tool in the grassroots level. So long we did not have any instrument to involve the people, especially the student community in our area. It is a very good initiative to take the student into PR forum and through them take the message to the people. I think it will go a very long way, and I wish the young YCC must do much better work so that we can make an example that student, especially the student, can contribute for PR activities in the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request
Ashish Dayal.
Ashish Dayal, sir, to address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. This is Ashish. I'm State Head Maharashtra and Chapter Chairman Nagpur Chapter. It is indeed a great pleasure to be part of this inauguration of 40th chapter of PRCI. This is just like a 40th jewel in the crown of PRCI. And Shirisha ji, I congratulate you, your team, and I wish you all the best on this occasion. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your best wishes. And now I request Mr. Raghvendra Holla, sir, the dynamic trainer, and who I connect and who is also a mentor in JCs for me in Train the Trainer. Sir, I request to you to address the gathering. Over to you, sir. Dr. Holla, Chairman of Mangalore Chapter. Holla, sir. I think sir is having some network issue. Now,
Yeah. Ramchandran from Palkat.
Palkat.
Yeah.
Over to Ramchandran, sir.
Hi, good evening to all of you. A great congratulations to Mrs. Sirisha and her team for a very successful operation of PRCI Bellary chapter. And I'm sure that you will reach greater heights in a very short time. I'm basically a computer engineer by profession, computer and management consultant, but I'm more on education as the director of Palghat Civil Service Academy, giving coaching for IAS, IPS and other examinations and other UPS examinations. And also we are doing a lot for the development of Palakkad district on the industrial front also. So we are the 39th chapter and we are very happy that within a week's time, another new chapter has been added. So definitely, I'm sure that PRCI is in an exponential growth form now. I'm sure that by the end of this year, minimum 60 chapters will be added to our group. Minimum, I'm talking about minimum. Along with that, YCCs also are being formed. And we are sure that in Palghat, within this year, we'll be having 10 to 12 YCCs. And we are going to have a very, very powerful activity for the students and youth of Palghat district. And also we are ready to share our expertise with all the chapters all over India and in the world. So I congratulate once again and pray God for the betterment of this chapter. Thank you very much.
Dhirendra Mishra, Rourkela Chapter Chairman.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Good evening and namaskar. Am I audible to all?
Yeah, please, please.
Good evening and namaskar. First of all, I'd like to congratulate the SBI team. I was imagining this organization as a part, and the God is having now 40 wings. I am sure this organization will be staying very well, very long. So, congratulations to the team, including all of us. And also big congratulations to the team Bellary and Sirishandra's team. And I also just recollected that Bellary and Raurkela, I belong to Raurkela. So we are having something in common. That is the steel connection. There is a steel plant close to Bellary, and so there is a steel plant in Bellary. So these connections are getting established. I'm sure many chapters, many wings of the organizations are coming up in the coming days. So congratulations to the PSA and also to the
Thank you so much, sir.
Sonia,
We have
Sonia,
with- we
Sonia
have with
Nagrale.
us,
Pune chapter chairperson.
Yeah, Pune chapter, yeah.
Chairperson, Sonia Nagrale.
Thank you, Dhirendra sir, for your wishes. Sonia ma'am, are
Sonia
you there?
Sonia ji, Sonia Nagrale.
No, sir. I think
No.
no, she's there, but her mic and
But
screen is on mute.
yeah. No response.
Fine,
Okay.
fine. We are having Mr. Renukanand, our director from Bangalore, and one more Chaya Umesh is also there. If they want to wish, they can also wish. Mr. Ramakrishna is also there.
Ramakrishna is there.
3 people they can wish the team, new team.
Yes, good evening. Congratulations to the new team. All
Thank
the
you,
best.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
you introduce yourself, my dear.
Yes, this is the Renukananda from Bangalore chapter vice chairman, and as well as I am the material management chairman for the National Governing Board. It's a subcommittee. Dear members, we have this one materials for the chapters. Those we can, for example, installations, pins, so membership certificate, everything will be provided from the organization. Please write your details about your members so that we can provide all the raw materials to the right time for your installation for the programs. You can
Sure,
wear
sir.
your pin, everything.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the wishes and also for the support and guidance.
Yes, madam.
Chaya Ramakrishna. Chaya, madam. Ramakrishna.
Very good evening to one and all. Happy to see you all on this platform. I wish Bellary chapter all the best for the future.
She is the vice chairperson of Bangalore chapter, president elect.
Yes, I'll introduce myself. I'm Chaya Umesh Chandra. I'm CEO Chaya Handcraft World, and I'm in PSA from past 12 years, and I'm now in the EC as a vice chairman, Bangalore chapter. I congratulate the Bellary chapter for their future endeavors. I wish them all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That's really nice. Felt so nice to listen from. Thank you.
Ramakrishna is there? Or he has left?
Yes, he is there, sir.
Yeah, please. Ramakrishna.
Sir, please unmute your mic, Ramakrishna, sir.
In between, Ramraju Halvi can also speak a few words, sir. Ramraju, sir.
Good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to be part of this August PRCA. I'm really thankful to have been selected as a vice chairman for the Bellary chapter. I thank everyone for this opportunity, and I strive hard to live up to your expectation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Mahabaleshwar, Vinay, there are so many. people.
Our
we
chapter
used to hear
members are
from-
all there.
Yeah.
Vinay is YCC chairperson for Ballari chapter, sir.
Ballari.
Vinay, over to you.
Good evening, everyone. I feel pleased to be here, and I think I'll keep up all the responsibilities which are given to me, and held the responsibilities of PRCI club and keep it held high. Thank you.
I request Deepali to unmute her mic and screen. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. I feel very happy to be a part of this PRCI team. I have been born and brought up in Haryana. I came to Ballari 18 years ago. Now I got this opportunity, this platform to do something. I really feel very happy to be a part of this team. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Pashupati Sharma, I think you wanted to speak at the fag end. Last love.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Come back, it seems.
Congratulations, Shirisha and the team. I am always with you all, and thank you very much for entire PRCI family members for the giving me the opportunity for the Karnataka State Secretary, and I am doing my responsibility. That's all. Thank you very much, entire PRCI MB sir and entire team of PRCI family for blessing us. Thank you very much, and wish you all the best, Shirisha Bhima and team.
Thank
we
you,
are
sir.
with you. Thank you. Thank you.
I think Shabazz, he is driving the car, but he is very much interested to say a few words. Please
He's
come
the
on.
treasurer of our chapter, sir. He's
Kindly. Why can't we
Hello,
hear
sir.
this?
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Sheikh Shabazz. I am a small businessman in Ballari. And I am very happy that I got such a beautiful platform that I could learn many things from you all. And as much as I listened from all of you, it were just like inspirational words to hear from you all. Thank you so much. And I hope I can do something which I can do. And for that, I got a good platform. I'll try my best to be honest with my post and try to learn many things from you all people.
Good,
Thank you so much, sir.
responsibilities given to you. You are a sheikh from Abu Dhabi or Dubai. Sheikh, the king, sheikh. You are responsible for getting money for all of us. Good luck. I'm sure that your treasury will be always full, 100%.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. And now I request Rajkumar, sir, to share his gratitude to the entire team, state team. Rajkumar, sir. I think.
Hello, can I say a few words? This is Dr. Sonia.
Yeah, Sonia.
Please.
Pune chapter chairperson.
Yes, sir, I'm driving, so yeah. So good evening, all. Welcome to the new Bellary team, to the PRCI family. Yes, we all are there, of course, to support you all, and any help, we all certainly Pune chapter is always there with you all. So all the very best. Good luck.
Thank you, Sonia
and
ji.
hope to see you at Goa very soon.
Sure.
Thank you.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, Sonia, madam. Sir, I think, is there anyone else? Jairam, sir?
I don't think Mr. Ramakrishna is still on. Ramakrishna?
It says Ramakrishna, sir, is there, but his screen and mic is mute, sir.
Okay, fine. We'll send the message to him.
We will conclude.
And I think our chapter vice president was here, but some technical issues, Bajaj, sir.
Rajkumar Bajaj, I can see him.
Yeah, and even Joint Secretary Mahabaleshwar, sir.
Hello.
Hello, Bajaj is ready.
Rajkumar, you can speak.
Yes. Good evening, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm Rajkumar Bajaj, basically from Nagpur. From last 15 years, I'm in Bellary, and I'm running a school, kindergarten, and doing business of sponge iron. So I'm very happy to join with PRCI team and happy to see from all over India that we have a good support from all of you, and
No one
it's a
from
good
Hyderabad.
platform to develop ourselves. So thank you one and all for a complete team, and especially Sirisha ma'am to join to this PRCI team. Thank you so much.
I'm incomplete without my team, sir. It's all because of you people. I'm here to lead, so that I'll be staying behind you people, and I lead you all to get things done for our PRCI national team, and we will make the best efforts to get things done. Now I request Shivani to share her gratitude. Shivani, are you there, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, she is our secretary for YCC. You can share your message, ma.
Firstly, I'm very happy to be a part of PRCI. Firstly, I want to thank Sirisha ma'am and Pashupati sir for giving me this opportunity. And surely we will make some change in the society. And I would give my best. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
That's really sweet of you. Thank you. And so I think we have come to an end. If anybody is left, kindly guide me to address them, to request to speak about.
Oh, no, I don't.
Vinay, sir?
I don't see anybody.
Okay, sir, fine. Jairam, sir, anyone? Okay, done. Now I request our chapter joint secretary, Mahabaleshwar sir, to give vote of thanks and extend his gratitude to the entire PRCA family.
Good evening to all, first of all. I'm very panicked before this session. So before 1 hour, I am very panicked to give vote of thanks to all dignitaries. But by seeing your informative mind, I'm very happy to give vote of thanks to all dignitaries. Okay. So PRCI installation ceremony, the vote of thanks. So good evening to all. So I consider this is a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable day. So let me first of all start by saying thanks to the Almighty God for making today's start a resounding success. So first and foremost, I thank our special guest and inaugurator, Sri M.B. Jairam sir, so Chief Mentor and Chairman Emeritus PRCI. So despite his busy schedule, has found time to grace this occasion. So, and I also express my heartfelt thanks to Sri Srinivas Murthy and Chairman and Governing Council for his valuable presence. So we are grateful to our National President, Dr. T. Vinay Kumar, National Executive PRCI. So for his guidance as always encouraged us. And I thank our Senior Vice President, Sri C.J. Singh, so National Executive and Chairman Chapter Formation Committee, so for his support, vision and commitment. So I owe the special thanks to Jayaprakash Rao, so Zonal Chairman, so for his interest to attend our inauguration ceremony. So our big thanks to YCC National Head, Ms. Chinmayi Praveen, for sharing about YCC. And our special thanks to Dr. Lata Madam, so State Head Karnataka, so for sharing about PRCI. So ton of thanks to TVS Narayan, the head of PRCI, and so other state heads who gave a very heartful congratulations to our team. So Ashok Kumar Panda sir, so Geeta Shankar, so Ramchandra Menon, Ramendra Kumar, Ashish Tayal, Sri Banik, and Dhirendra Mishra, so Raghavendra Holla, Sonia Madam, and Renukananda sir, and Chaya Umesh. So who have give almost all heartful congratulations to our team. This very big thankful to all of them. And from entire 40th PRCI team, the big vote of thanks to Sri Pashupati Sharma sir, Secretary Karnataka PRCI, for his never-ending support to our team. So finally, it's time to tell a warm and respectful thanks to our chairperson, so for reaching and making this beautiful platform
in Bellary. So with her vision and action plan, preparation and attention to detail was amazing. Thank you so much. We appreciate you more than words can say. So thank you, madam. And so it's very lovely. Thanks to all my Bellary chapter team. So first of all, it includes Secretary Madam, so Mrs. Deepali Saini, and I thank all the team members. Bellary chapter includes Vice President Ramaraju sir, Treasurer and Joint Treasurer Shabas sir and Sir Ramesh sir, so YCC Chairperson, so BH Vinay, Secretary and so YCC Coordinator Madhu Madam and Shivani. So it's my pleasure to give heartful thanks to all of us. And last you, my team, operation in making this function a resounding success. With finally, I leave you this inspiring quote. Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. So once again, I thank all for your attention. Thank you one and all. So if any mistakes, so forgive me. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mahabaleshwar.
Thank you, sir.
Very, very nice, very nice.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Congratulations and
Once again.
best
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's all meet in Goa
Sure,
or
sir.
some programs from here end.
Yeah.
Sure, sir.
Thanks, Risha, again.
Thank you so much for all the PRCI family. And it was
Thank
really
you,
a
thank you.
pleasure.
All the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Good luck,
Thank
good
you.
luck.
Thank you.
And
Thank you. Good luck.
I
Good
thank my team for standing by with me, and I'm really elated and glad that we were taken off and we will take ahead and to lead by example and to set an example from Bellary chapter in Karnataka. Pan India will send a message and let's our performance make the noise. Thank you so much.
Chapters in Karnataka, beware. She has already set up 100 meters run. Good luck. Anyway.
Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations, Srisha.
Bye, good night.
Bellary team, congrats.
Thank you, Chinmay ma'am. Thank you so much.
Very good. Well done. Well done.
Let's
Thank you,
wind up.
Ashish ji. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much for being
Bye.
in a busy
Bye.
schedule.
Bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.